Oh my, look what we have here. Some calamari salad. Ooh, brioche split top buns and dun 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 dun. And these are not just your regular lobster. No, this time, ooh, they're looking at me with beady eyes. This time we got the jumbos, and they are pissed. Let's see how pissed they are. We're gonna see if Wally wants to have a go at them. Come on, everybody out. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, they're wrangling the bag around. Hold on. Wally! They won't let go of each other. Hang on.
I've been cleaning under the sink.
Okay. There it is. Look at him. That is one pissed off lobster. Hang on, let's see what come here, Wally. Wally! Do you want to have a go at him? Yeah, fuck no. They bite. They bite!